Is it time to invest in Bitcoin before it hits $100,000? Have you ever thought that there could be a decisive moment to invest in Bitcoin? A moment when the price could take off beyond all expectations? If I told you that you might have one of the last chances to buy Bitcoin before it hits $100,000 later this year, what would you do? This video explores the possibility that we are rapidly approaching this scenario and how current data might support this prediction. Stay with us as we explore what experts are saying about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and how recent inflation data could be the catalyst for this explosive growth. First of all, why is there so much talk about Bitcoin hitting $100,000 by the end of the year? Why do so many experts believe this scenario is not only possible, but probable? To answer these questions, we must first understand some of the key factors influencing the cryptocurrency market today. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Recently, Consumer Price Index, CPI, data showed year-on-year inflation rising below 3% for the first time since March 2021. This is an important signal because it could indicate that the Federal Reserve is ready to cut interest rates as early as September. But what does all this mean for Bitcoin and Ethereum? If the Federal Reserve decides to cut interest rates, especially if it goes for a significant cut like 0.5 percentage point, we will be faced with a situation where there will be more money in circulation. This could have a disruptive effect on financial markets, including the cryptocurrency market. An influx of liquidity could push up the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum, as investors look for opportunities to maximize their gains in a lower interest rate environment. In addition to economic data, there are other factors that could fuel Bitcoin's growth. One of them is the growing demand from nation-states and large institutional investors. For example, the demand for a strategic reserve of Bitcoin by some governments could lead to a significant increase in demand. Additionally, Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are buying more and more coins every time the price drops below a certain threshold, further increasing the pressure on demand. This phenomenon is made even more significant by the fact that the amount of Bitcoin available is fixed. With increasing demand and limited supply, the price can only go up. It is a simple matter of supply and demand, and with more and more money entering the system, it seems that Bitcoin is destined to grow. You may be wondering, if Bitcoin has already been around $60,000 in 2021, why should we expect such a significant increase now? The answer lies in context and fundamentals. In 2021, Bitcoin did not yet have the level of regulation and institutional support it has today. Now, financial giants such as Charles Schwab, BlackRock, and Fidelity are offering Bitcoin to their clients through spot ETFs. This was not the case 2 years ago. Additionally, the cryptocurrency industry has undergone a significant cleanup. Major malicious actors, such as FTX, which was the second largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume globally, have been eliminated from the market. Even Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, has essentially been targeted by the US government. This means that over 50% of Bitcoin trading volume now goes through American exchanges, making the market safer and more transparent. Another aspect to consider is Bitcoin mining. Today, over 50% of mining takes place in the United States, compared to a few years ago. This further shifts the balance towards a more regulated and less risky market. Another key factor that cannot be ignored is the effect of the Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, the amount of new Bitcoins that can be created is halved, reducing the supply of new coins. This event has historically led to significant price increases, and we are now in the midst of a phase where supply has been halved twice since 2021. However, the price has not yet doubled, suggesting there is still plenty of room for growth. Of course, no path to the top is without obstacles. For example, the US government recently transferred 10,000 Bitcoin from the Silk Road seizure, worth about $593 million, to Coinbase Prime. These types of movements can signal an intention to sell, which could cause short-term volatility. However, these swings do not invalidate the long-term bullish trend. If we consider Bitcoin as a store of value similar to gold, its potential is enormous. The United States, for example, owns a significant amount of gold and productive land. If money starts to migrate to cyberspace, as many analysts predict, Bitcoin could become the ultimate safe haven. With hundreds of trillions of dollars potentially flowing into digital assets like Bitcoin, the question is, why own anything but Bitcoin? Finally, we cannot ignore the importance of altcoins and the innovations that are happening in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Blockchain games like Off the Grid on PS5 are proving that cryptocurrencies are becoming an integral part of the gaming world, without gamers even realizing it. Additionally, integrations between blockchain ecosystems like Injective and Ton are opening up new opportunities for users and developers. These developments indicate that the future of cryptocurrencies is bright, not just for Bitcoin, but for the entire industry. And with partnerships like the one between MasterCard and MetaMask, which launched the first MasterCard debit card linked to a self-custody wallet, we are seeing the evolution of traditional finance into a new digital paradigm. Thanks for watching, and until the price of Bitcoin hits $100,000, the decision is yours. Now, with the current price hovering around $60,000, the question is, how will it get there? Experts are predicting an explosive end to the year, with Bitcoin and Ethereum poised to hit new highs. Don't miss out. Thanks for following us this far. Don't waste the next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news in the crypto world and not waste a crypto adventure, hit that follow button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.